2 weeks later, I'm dipping in my stash.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of my two Satoshis on this cold, man, the coldest day I've experienced in a while, people. January 31st, 2019. But I want to give a shout out to my man MF Toshi on Telegram. He wanted me to play Ka 30 Keys. Never heard this joint, but it sounds nice. I like this one. I like this one a lot. So shout out to my man MF Toshi for that one. What's good, people? Hope you guys doing well today. It is cold. I got that mask on again, man. I really need to wear this mask today for real. I haven't even left the house yet today, man. It's cold. It was negative 14 over the night. I think it's around 2 degrees right now. So I hope you guys are bundled up if you're in the Midwest or East Coast. It's cold out there. Bring those animals in and all that good stuff. But today, people, we are talking about actually both topics, both articles are about Binance. One being that this is a big move for Binance. Binance now allows you to buy crypto directly on their website, which is like, that's a game changer, people. That is a game changer. So you will now be able to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin. We're going to go through all the coins you can directly buy with your debit or credit card, but that is now available on Binance. So this is going to definitely garner more business on their end, and also it may give it another boost to volume when it comes to cryptocurrency. So we're going to definitely take a look at that article. And then the second article is about a new coin that started trading on Binance. That's the BTT token, or you guys may know it as the BitTorrent token. That's with the whole Tron situation going on. So we're going to take a look at what happened with that token. It's up over 600%. But not everyone was able to participate in that, and we'll take a look at the details regarding that situation. That's a huge move in a market where we haven't seen anything but prices going lower. A 10% pop, a 15% pop is something to be talking about in this market. All year last year, like, it's been a horrible bear market, and so to see 600% really lets you know there's some hype behind this BTT token, so we'll take a look at that. But first, jump over to cryptoblood.io and sign up for that trading algo, the automated trading algo for BitMEX. We do long and short trades, so that means we make money when the market goes up, and you have the potential to make money when the market goes down. That's shorting. We have 2 pairs trading right now, Bitcoin versus USD, and also Ethereum versus USD. So those 2 pairs are included in the service. So check it out, cryptoblood.io. You can see all the performance up to today. Not today, I think it's maybe up to last week or so, going all the way back to 2018. That's January 1st, 2018. So a year's worth of performance to give you a glimpse as to how this algo performs on a longer time frame, because that's what it matters. It doesn't matter how it performs month to month, week to week. It's about if it's going to work over the long run. So check it out, cryptoblood.io, or the link in the description of this video. So let's take a look at this market cap. We are currently at $113 billion. And again, we tried to make a run the other day, but we got smacked down, people. So made a run up to about 116. We haven't really made any decision. We did bottom here around 111 or 110, I think I saw on the market cap the other day. So if you take a look here, I'm just trying to draw a straight line as possible, as straight as I can, and you will see here that I'll draw another one here. I'm trying to draw as straight as possible, guys, but as you can see, that's kind of where we're hitting resistance. So if we can get back above maybe 115 billion, then maybe we'll have a reversal on our hands. If not, we may be heading lower. We may be trying to go back for that 110 area. It's not looking good, though. Still not looking good from a technical standpoint. I told you guys I felt that way earlier this weekend, last week. So here we are, just making more steps down. Even though we had a nice little run up from the lows of 33.43. I still feel like we're going to head further down from here. We closed our short on our Bitcoin trade about here at 34.33. Tried to go long, but we ended up closing that earlier today. So we'll have to see which direction we try to go here. If we're going to open up another long or a short trade. And same with ETH. We had two great shorts that we closed here, and then we reopened and closed down here for about 13% total in profits there on whatever you were trading, and then tried to go long here but ended up closing that out. So we're kind of indecisive at the moment. We'll see if we try to go long again or go short. Of course, I will update you after the trades are opened and closed. Of course, you will get access to these charts though that you see visually if you sign up for the algo service. You'll get links to those charts for both Bitcoin USD and Ethereum versus USD algo. First article though is out of CoinDesk, and this is major, guys. Binance users can now buy crypto with their credit cards. And it says here, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by adjusted trading volume, has just made it easier for users to buy cryptocurrencies. The exchange announced Thursday that it has partnered with Israeli-based payments processing firm Simplex. That sounds like herpes. To enable purchases with Visa and MasterCard credit cards. At launch, the exchange is supporting credit card purchases for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP. These can be traded against up to 151 other tokens offered by the exchange. So according to Binance's terms and conditions pages, some countries are excluded from the service, including Iraq, Cuba, Afghanistan, and Liberia. In the U.S., 6 states are also not supported: New York, Connecticut, Hawaii, Georgia, New Mexico, and Washington. Regarding fees, Simplex charges 3.5% of a transaction with a $10 minimum flat fee. The daily limit is $20,000 per user, while the monthly max is $50K. The firm adds Simplex payment processing is subject to local bank policies. Some issuer banks may decline charges on their own terms, regardless if users reside in supported jurisdictions. Binance earlier this month launched a new fiat to crypto exchange on the island of Jersey, a British self-governing dependency, enabling users to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum against the British pound and euro. It also opened a shop in Uganda last October, allowing crypto trading against the country's fiat currency, the Ugandan shilling. So there you go, man. Kudos to Binance for really helping push the adoption of cryptocurrencies. And this is just one more thing here. So I'm glad they're doing it. It's going to definitely help with adoption, and it's going to help increase volume as well with these cryptocurrencies. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that is available for many of you. So go out there and try it out. I'd rather you buy it from Binance than from Coinbase. Second article is out of CoinSpeaker, and it is about BitTorrent's token. It rose 6-fold as majority of altcoins are drowning. It says here, BitTorrent, the company acquired by Tron, has seen great success in the public sale of its BTT tokens. The company raised millions of dollars in a matter of minutes, despite the fact that some technical difficulties took place. The news has been published on Twitter by Tron CEO Justin Sun. Now, if we look at the time Binance began trading the digital asset, BTT has been jumping and switching between 88% and 77% value rise just over a few hours in the time of writing. The first session allowed users to purchase BTT tokens using BNB at a pegged price. This session sold out a total of 23.76 billion BTT tokens, and it was completed in 13 minutes and 25 seconds. In the second session, users were able to buy BTT with TRX. During this session, there was a minimum buy-in requirement of 100,000 BTT and a maximum of 166,000. This session was completed in 14 minutes and 41 seconds, selling all available 35 billion BTTs. In total, the ICO sold 59.4 billion BTTs, which is equivalent to $7 million. According to the project's official site, BTT tokens can be bought in exchange for quicker downloads on BitTorrent. Think FastPass at Disney World. Though why this feature requires its own token instead of simply Bitcoin or Tron isn't clear. Justin Sun revealed that the BTT airdrop for TRX owners is going to be available on CoinSuper. For better or for worse, Justin Sun has a reputation for being an absolute master of hype. Sun's marketing savvy has been on full display over the past few weeks as Tron has been gearing up for the launch of the new BitTorrent token. The highlight of the marketing blitz came at mid-January's Tron 2019 conference, where Sun shared the stage with basketball legend and venture capitalist Kobe Bryant. He also confirmed BitTorrent's giveaway for those whose orders were not processed during the token sale. At the same time, the BitTorrent token launch has come under some criticism from former longtime BitTorrent Chief Strategy Officer Simon Morris and others, conceding that Sun has a very nice personality for a marketing point of view. Morris generated a lot of headlines with his claims that Sun doesn't have a technical bone in his body and that the Tron network was completely incapable of handling the huge transaction throughput required for BitTorrent's 100 million active monthly users. The latest news from the token stables is that the BitTorrent token public sale, which was conducted successfully on January 28th, the airdrop was also assisted by Binance, with CZ, the chief executive officer of Binance, commending the process as well as the short time that it took to conclude. Concerns regarding participation. So here's the issue here, guys. It says here that the rate is 600% higher than that available during the token sale event. However, happy owners of BTT still didn't get the coins and thus cannot participate in the current trading. Concerns emerged from users who attempted but failed to participate in the ICO, apparently because of large demand. Not all users saw their orders executed. And this was confirmed from Twitter by CZ, CEO of Binance himself. He later goes on to say and expound on the problem and said that by confirming that the public sale glitch had occurred due to the user agreement confirmation button caching or locking, he even admitted that the earlier stress tests on the platform had focused on the buying process while the button was not covered thoroughly enough. At the same time, he confirmed that the order of requests was fully preserved. CZ also added that the process does not need a redo, as some suggested. And so there you have it, guys. But, you know, it's funny. I'm just laughing because this really just shows us that it's all hype, man. You don't really need a BTT token to make this some type of blockchain-centric platform. You know, they're just doing this to basically raise more money and dupe people into it. Now, it will create a demand and create some value for the BTT. But as the article stated, you could have clearly just used TRX token. You could have used any of the cryptos. So, you know, it's just a way to try to garner more value out of a newly created token, in my opinion. You guys let me know your thoughts about it, though. Will this BTT be successful? Will people actually use it to download at a faster pace on BitTorrent? I'm not too sure. Good thought, though, but I'm not sure about the execution. I don't know how well this is going to turn out. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys that update and my two Satoshis on those two articles. And shout out again to my boy MF Toshi for the song request out there on Telegram. Ka 30 Keys. And that's my two Satoshis for January 31st, 2019. I'm out of here, people. Holla!
Got good at pulling strings.